Doing most things in R requires you to use different functions. Functions are just commands, instructions, blocks of code that someone else has written to perform a specific task. So, for example, you can use the sequence function to generate a vector of numbers according to certain patterns like this. Look at that. It starts at 0, ends at 10, and goes in intervals of 2. The sequence function. Now, I bet you're wondering, what are those things inside of the parentheses? They're what programmers call arguments, or parameters. Neat, huh? Holy mackerel, this is great. Now, check this out. If I use the up arrow and make the same line run again, but erase all of these identifying parameters, it still knows that it should start at 0 and end at 10. How did it do that? Well, you can use the question mark and then type the function name, hit enter, and up will pop a help page. Cool, huh? Almost every function in R has a help screen like this one. Here's a general description of what the function does, a list of different arguments here, and what the default value is if you don't specify anything, in order of the arguments. Hey, neat, cool, wow, awesome, fantastic, tubular. There's a description of what everything does down here. And finally, there is a value of what it returns once it's done running, what it gives back. You saw what it gave back in the previous example, a numeric vector from 0 to 10 in intervals of 2. Let's go back there. Oh, wow, bonus, examples. Look at this. If you copy this and then paste it into R, often you can see different examples of how the function might run in other cases. This has been a work of R.